Hello guys, and welcome back to Gadgets 2, your source of weekly tech updates and gadgets from all over the world. If you are watching this video, chances are you're out looking for smart gadgets and equipment that make your life easier and adds to your productivity. Let's find out if this video has what you've been looking for. So here's a list of 5 gadgets that can make your life better than yesterday, guaranteed. Before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video. I hope you guys found this video useful. What are your picks on the top gadgets this month? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. I will see you in the next one.